Coconut oil is great for cooking because it has delicious flavor and is healthy. So here are some of the best coconut oil brands for cooking. So number 1, Viva Naturals Organic Coconut Oil. This coconut oil is pure and organic and makes it perfect for baking or frying. It has a light coconut taste that enhances many dishes. I'm going to leave all of this in the description. Number 2, Nutiva Organic Coconut Oil. Nutiva's oil is cold pressed, meaning it keeps all the good nutrients. And it's great for high heat cooking and can be used in stir fries or sautéing vegetables. Number 3, Tropical Traditions Gold Label Coconut Oil. This brand offers extra virgin coconut oil, which is very tasty. It's perfect for making smoothies or adding to desserts for tropical flavor. Number 4 is the Kirkland Signature Organic Coconut Oil. It's available at Costco. Okay, this coconut oil is affordable and it's high quality. It's great for cooking and baking. It has a nice aroma. Number 5, Garden of Life Coconut Oil. This oil is organic and non-GMO. It's perfect for cooking or spreading on toast for a yummy breakfast. Using coconut oil in your cooking can add flavor and provide healthy fats, so enjoy it and use it in your favorite recipes. I use it all the time.